What happens when two giants in their respective fields come together? You get an exceptional product. That's precisely what we have here with the MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16. This laptop represents a powerful partnership between MSI, a leader in gaming technology, and AMG Motorsport, synonymous with luxury and performance in the automotive world. The AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 is not just a gaming laptop. It's a statement. It effortlessly blends the adrenaline-pumping world of esports with the sophisticated elegance of a high-end sports car. From its sleek design to its powerful specs, this laptop screams performance. It's about the thrill of the race, the precision of every move, and the satisfaction of being at the top of your game. So buckle up and get ready to explore what makes this machine a true game changer. Unboxing the MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 is an experience in itself. The sleek black box with the iconic MSI and AMG logos hints at the treasure inside. As you lift the lid, you're greeted by the laptop itself, nestled securely in a bed of soft, protective material. MSI has paid attention to every detail. The package includes a premium carrying case designed to protect your investment in style. And then there are the accessories, a color-matched mouse and mouse pad, all branded with a distinct AMG logo. This unboxing experience is about more than just getting your hands on a new laptop. It's about being initiated into a world of exclusivity and performance. And let me tell you, the MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 does not disappoint. The design of the MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 is a masterpiece in itself. The first thing that catches your eye is the sleek aerodynamic design. The lines are clean and sharp, reminiscent of a high-performance sports car. It's crafted from a lightweight yet incredibly durable magnesium alloy, giving it a premium look and feel. The selenite gray color exclusive to this collaboration is both sophisticated and sporty. The laptop is incredibly thin and light for a machine packing this much power. You can easily slip it into a backpack or briefcase and take it wherever you go. The keyboard is a delight to use, with per-key RGB backlighting that can be customized to your liking. Everything about the design, from the materials to the color scheme to the branding, screams performance and luxury. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, the real heart of this beast. The MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 is not just about looks. It backs it up with raw power and performance. This laptop is built for speed, powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H processor. Trust me, this thing can handle anything you throw at it, from demanding games to complex creative tasks. And then there's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. This graphics card delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, even on the most demanding titles. Whether you're racing through the streets in Forza Horizon 5 or exploring the vast open world of Red Dead Redemption 2, this laptop will give you an immersive gaming experience like no other. The MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 boasts a stunning 16-inch UHD+ 3840-2400 IPS OLED display. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or editing photos, this display will take your breath away. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, you'll experience incredibly fast boot times and loading speeds. The MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 is more than just a powerful machine. It's a statement. This laptop seamlessly blends luxury and performance, making it the perfect choice for individuals who demand the best of both worlds. One of the standout features of this laptop is its innovative cooling system. The shared pipe cooling solution ensures that the laptop stays cool and quiet, even under heavy load. The MSI AMG Motorsport Stealth 16 is a unique offering in the market. It stands out from the crowd with its sleek design, powerful specs, and exclusive AMG branding. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's an experience. This laptop is for those who dare to be different, who appreciate the finer things in life, and who refuse to compromise on performance. And let me tell you, this laptop delivers on all fronts.